The Marriott Marquis San Diego Marina is a luxurious hotel located in beautiful downtown San Diego. Its two towers feature over 1,300 rooms. Let's take a tour of room 2106, a high-floor, two-queen room with a balcony. Upon entering, you'll find a full-size mirror on the wall. And as you look to the right, you'll find the bathroom area. There is a nice sink and vanity area with some towel storage underneath. And over here is where you will also find the closet behind sliding doors. There is a shelf up above, plenty of hangers. There's a hair dryer. There's your iron. There's some extra bedding, and your in-room safe is underneath. The closet's actually quite deep. You'll find your ironing board back there, but it is a little bit awkward to get to. On the other side, you will find the restroom area, and in here you will find the shower, which does have a grab bar and a wall-mounted shower head. There are also wall-mounted shampoo, conditioner, and body wash dispensers. You don't get individual ones. And this room features a shower tub combo with a shower curtain. There's also a full-size mirror on the bathroom door. Moving on to the main part of the room, you will find a luggage rack for your suitcase next to the TV entertainment console area. So there's a nice large flat screen TV along with plenty of counter space. Here's what the full room looks like with two queen beds. And you'll find the thermostat on the wall there. Taking a closer look at the area underneath the television, you'll find this door that opens to reveal a mini fridge that has lots of room to store drinks or other items. Next to that, this drawer slides out and you will find your ice bucket, as well as some coffee and tea and a coffee maker. Down below there are two drawers that pull out for storing your clothes. There is also a chair and a phone and a lamp. Coming back to the nightstand in between the beds, there is a phone, but there's no alarm clock. And down below you'll find some power outlets and USB ports. There's also a drawer that slides out. In the corner of the room, you'll find a nice chair to sit in and a little side table. And then this room has a nice balcony with two chairs and a table. And looking out over the balcony, you have some great views of the marina, as well as Coronado Island. You can see Seaport Village down below. And you also have some beautiful views of downtown San Diego. The view at night is equally impressive. Coming back to the TV area, you will see that below the TV there are some power outlets and USB ports. Another thing worth pointing out is that this hotel does have a daily destination fee, and these are the inclusions. There's also a sheet they gave us at check-in that lists all of the hotel dining options and hours, as well as QR codes to scan to see the menus. Now let's take a tour of the M Club Lounge, located on the lobby level of the North Tower. The lounge is open 24 hours a day, and during non-meal times, it's actually quite open with plenty of seating available. During the busier times, it can get quite crowded. In the quieter part of the lounge, away from the buffet counter, you will find several computers and a printer available for use. This back counter area is where they serve breakfast. We were not able to get any good video footage of it because it was so crowded at the time. Offerings included scrambled eggs, sausage, cereal, and fresh fruit, among other breakfast staples. During midday service, they had candy available, as well as fresh vegetables and dips. Underneath that, you'll find a refrigerator with various soft drinks, milk, and yogurt. The rest of this counter has hot coffee and sparkling and still water on tap, as well as some hot teas. Unfortunately, their fancy coffee maker was out of order throughout our stay. During the nightly hors d'oeuvre service on the night of our stay, they offered crackers, some ranch dressing. They had a bowl with salad and feta cheese. They also had a veggie tray and a raspberry vinaigrette dressing. They also offer what can best be described as shrimp wontons with dipping sauce. At the end, you'll find some various fresh fruit, and around the corner from that, you'll find wines available for purchase. Below that, you'll find another refrigerator with various soft drinks. The center section had some fresh tortilla chips, along with a corn avocado salsa that was actually quite good, and a Cuban sandwich. During their dessert hour, they had various cookies, brownies, puddings, and Rice Krispie treats available. And you also had access to candy at the other side of the lounge. Now let's explore the rest of the hotel. On the lobby level of the North Tower, you will find several ballrooms and the hotel's Starbucks location. Making your way past the registration desk towards the South Tower, you'll find the hotel's gift shop, a FedEx office, and an ATM. Past that in the South Tower, you'll find the Exchange Pantry quick service restaurant with plenty of made-to-order and grab-and-go items. Near the South Tower elevators, you'll find the Marina Kitchen restaurant, which offers a daily breakfast buffet, lunch, and dinner, and has a full bar. At the back of the Marina Kitchen, you'll find the entrance to Roy's Restaurant and the Topgolf Swing Suite, where you walk across a bridge and enter the restaurant above the pool area, where you'll have great views of the marina. Also in the South Tower, you'll find their luxury vending machine area, which has sparkling wine, Zapata jewelry, various electronics, and some grab-and-go food options. The pool area is located on level 1, just below the lobby level. The pool area itself is large and spacious. There's a towel station and water refill station as you enter the main pool area. And there are 2 large pools as well as 2 hot tubs, one at either end. There's plenty of seating spread throughout. And there's also several cabanas at the north end of the pool area. There's a children's splash pad area in the center of the pool. And at the back of the pool area, you'll also find restrooms and another water refill station. Adjacent to the pool area, you'll find plenty of seating options, including some with fire pits. Also nearby, you'll find Tequila Bar and Grill, which features plenty of food options that are available pretty much all day long. This restaurant also has several fire pit tables, so you can enjoy the weather in San Diego all year round. Heading north out of the pool area, you'll find their Marina Patio, which is just a short walk to the nearby Seaport Village, which features plenty of dining and shopping options. Also on the Marina Patio, you'll find Wheel Fun Rentals, where you can redeem your 1-hour free bicycle rental included in your daily destination amenity fee. Thank you for watching this video on what the Marriott Marquis San Diego Marina has to offer. We hope you enjoy your visit to beautiful San Diego, California.